All right, folks, here go again with another beautiful, gorgeous Ford Taurus Police Interceptor, original Norsea Blue from factory, folks. Paint looks great, very sharp, hardly any scratches on it, and the vehicle only does have one door ding on the hood. This was a State Department of California vehicle. It came from the city of Sacramento, California. This is going to be a California car, so there is no rust on her whatsoever, folks. This was not a patrol unit, folks. This vehicle was probably driven Monday to Friday, 8 to 5. Vehicle has been fully serviced, detailed, and she is in immaculate running condition and shape, ready to go anywhere across the states. Vehicle did come with tinted windows on the rear only. That appears to be a medium shade. There is no tint on the front windows. Also, before I forget, I gotta tell you that all four steel wheels are in nice condition. They're nice and gloss black steel. The vehicle did come to me with the full wheel covers, and those were interchangeable in interchange to the chrome dog dishes. There are no holes on the body whatsoever, folks. Vehicle does have working backup sensors and working backup camera. This is not a flex wheel. This is going to be a regular unleaded. Once again, folks, vehicle is in immaculate running condition and shape, super sharp, perfect color combination on this one. This is going to be a 3.7 all-wheel drive unit. I apologize, but I didn't tell you the miles. Vehicle does have 111,000 miles with 375 idle hours only. Great looking car, folks. Very smooth, nice little strong engine on this one. Once again, this is a 3.7 all-wheel drive. And I hope I'm not on the way here. The paint, folks, I cannot emphasize this enough. It looks very, very nice. Vehicle does have a nice set of clear lights and lessons in the front, and I went ahead and replaced the light bulbs with the Sylvania Silver Stars. You're moving? All right, cool. Sorry, neighbor is living.
Everything in your life flows. Now this is a fascinating command. Kind of flow all else, more than we guard anything, more than FDI.
Let's see if I can get this done, even though I had to move for the neighbor. Hopefully she doesn't have me waiting here for too long. Bear with me, guys. They are backing out. I don't want to reset the clock and start from zero again. Since I'm here, folks, this is the interior. Super nice. They're still taking their sweet time. All right, folks, the stereo does work. Super cold air conditioner. Vehicle does have backup camera. Let me turn this down. Vehicle does have a backup camera, and it does come up right here on the rear view mirror. Let's go ahead and get out of that for now. Honk does work. Cruise control does work. Vehicle is equipped with factory Bluetooth. I do have the aux auxiliary line in, USB port right here. Cigarette lighters do work. Vehicle does have the brand new manual for these vehicle here. Vehicle did come with 1 key, 1 fob, aftermarket alarm here by Prestige. Okay, I'm not sure what's taking so long, but while we wait, red LED does work, white LED does work, dome lights, map lights, actually they do work. Vehicle does have a little place for your glasses there. Okay, they backed out 2 minutes after. All right, let me step it up, folks. All right, let me get back to my video here. This is the sucky part about having neighbors that like to come in and out of the house every 15 minutes. I'm always on the way. All right, folks, let me come back over here. Let me clean this up here for you. Vehicle does have 111,000 miles with 375 auto hours. Super nice interior, folks. Cold air conditioner. Vehicle does have carpet interior with rubber floor mats. Those are by WeatherTech. Rear seats, they do match the rest of the interior of the vehicle. Once again, carpet interior with WeatherTech rubber floor mats on this one. All 4 door panels are in immaculate condition. They literally look new. Let's go to the trunk. Vehicle does have a spare tire. Vehicle does have a spare tire, full spare tire. As you guys can see, vehicle also does have the factory carpet floor mats in the trunk. Again, if it comes with the car, it's gonna go with the vehicle. And you are taking the full wheel covers because I have no need for those. Vehicle does have a cutout on the inside the trunk liner there. Don't worry, folks, I order a new one on eBay for $138. Full spare tire in place, matches spare tire. All right, I gotta pick up the pace. I fell behind a little bit here. Vehicle also did come with a nice OEM full center console on this one. Very nice to have, actually, indeed. Just go under the hood so I can tell you what was done to the car. All 4 tires are in semi-new conditions for the department, courtesy of State Department of California, folks. Those are the original steel wheels. Sylvania Superstar headlights do make a difference when you're driving at night. One hand here. All right, folks, here we go. I do apologize. I know I probably fell behind, but I'm gonna try to pick up the pace and hopefully I can cover everything for you. All right, starting right to left, vehicle did come with a brand new air filter from the department, so I didn't have to replace that. I left that alone. Vehicle does have a brand new battery, interstate battery from Costco. I think it's a 3-year, 36-month proration on this one. Throttle body was serviced and cleaned out, which also, by the way, I think it was replaced because when I took it off, it wasn't as dirty as they usually come. So I think the throttle body was replaced at some point. Vehicle does have 6 new Motorcraft brand new spark plugs, full synthetic 520 oil service was done. Transmission was also serviced by Motorcraft LB, full synthetic, that is a draining fill. Washer fluid was topped off. Coolant level was fine, so I didn't have to do anything to it. I did replace the dry belt and tensioner together by Gates, folks. It's all part of my PM services that I do to all my vehicles. Cabin filter was also replaced. All brakes and rotors were fine, so I didn't have to replace those, folks. They were about 70% all around, so I've been driving the vehicle. There's no pulsation, no vibration when you're hitting the brakes, so she's solid. Very, very cold air conditioner. Did I say that already? I don't think so. Suspension is nice and tight. And once again, this is going to be the 3.7 all-wheel drive engine. Let me be quiet here for a sec so you can hear. All right, there you have it, folks. One last final look at this beauty here. This is gonna be a 2017 Ford Taurus Police Interceptor. I almost said Explorer. I keep getting confused every now and then. Once again, folks, these videos are not edited. If I make mistakes, I keep going. Okay, so this is going to be a 2017 Ford Taurus Police Interceptor with 111,000 miles and only 375 idle hours. From the former California State Department vehicle. This was not a patrol. Original Norsea Blue from factory, folks. Only one door ding on this vehicle. What you see is what you're gonna get, folks. So if you see something that you want, please do not hesitate to give me a call. Let's see if we can get to let's see if we can reach an agreement. Little door ding is actually right here. You can hardly see it, but it's right there, folks. It's my job to tell you what I see behind the camera lens. I'm not gonna sell you lies, folks. I'm not. If I lose your business, it's because I'm being too honest or too direct with you, and it's something that we're not used to nowadays. I get it. I understand. All right, folks, this is the Crown Victoria guy signing off, also known as SoCal Police Cruisers. Thanks for watching. You guys have a great weekend. Be safe. God bless and take care.